Hello everyone. So here's the question. Why Wix is a bad idea? Okay, so there are some reasons why. So Wix is a terrible website or a website builder for a number of reasons. First, it is extremely limited in terms of features and customization. Okay, well, compared to other high-end website builders, yeah, it is. Secondly, it is very user unfriendly. Okay, it has confusing interface and poorly designed templates. Third, it is extremely slow. It often takes minutes to load a simple page. Okay, so the responsiveness is not that good, especially when your website is loaded. So if it's loaded with different contents, okay, so that's the reason why using Wix.com is a bad idea. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.